A Bahamian doctor residing in Florida is working at the forefront of the COVID-19 pandemic. She explained to our Crystal Darling what her lab is doing in the fight against the global health crisis.
Doctors at the Orlando Immunology Center are working on one of the top 5 COVID-19 vaccine candidates, and one of those medical experts is a Bahamian. Immunologist Dr. Charlotte Page Roll says this potential antidote by the University of Oxford's Jenner Institute is currently undergoing trials, and she is happy to be a part of that historic project.
And we haven't seen the data from those trials yet, but just based on the pathophysiology of the way the vaccine works and what it was designed to induce in terms of an immune response, there's no reason we should not expect that vaccine to work. And so I'm really excited, to bring that opportunity to the Central Florida community. I would love to bring that opportunity to the Bahamas. That should be clear. That would be amazing. But unfortunately, that is not going to happen at a lot of international sites right now. There are a couple of the other vaccines that are international, like the Moderna and the Janssen vaccine trials are going to be international trials. But as far as I've been told, the AstraZeneca vaccine trial is running in the United States.
Dr. Roll further explains how the vaccine works.
And just to be clear, a vaccine is really different from a pharmaceutical, right? A pharmaceutical is something I think of as a medicinal product that's intended to treat a patient who already has the disease. That is honestly how I think of a pharmaceutical. A vaccine is a purely, for the most part, preventative action, right? And so you are giving a vaccine to someone who does not already have the disease of interest with the intent of preventing them from getting that infection should they become exposed to it.
And with many theories about COVID-19 vaccines, Roll acknowledges that there tends to be confusion distinguishing between pharmaceutical drugs and vaccination.
In the case of the COVID vaccine, what we've been working on with the AstraZeneca and the University of Oxford is that vaccine shows someone the protein that's required for the virus to enter the cell. It doesn't show someone the entire virus. It just shows them a little bit of that virus. And you're going to force someone's immune response to produce proteins that if they all of a sudden get the infection, that virus can't enter the cell. They have these proteins that are sitting there and blocking that interaction.
Crystal Darling, ZNS Network News.